Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process how to map holiday with leave calendar. Before mapping, you must have to create holiday master and miscellaneous submenu under master's menu. To know how to create holiday master, video link is given in description box. Click and watch the video. Before login into PromptHR, please check you must have admin rights to access leave menu. The steps here to follow. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose leave from your left-hand side menu. Click on leave calendar. Click on plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Select leave year. Select leave/holiday. You will see list of holidays here that you created in Holiday Master. Select company. Select business unit/division for which you want to create this leave/holiday. Select none if you want to create it for all. Select state, for which this leave/holiday will be applicable. Select site, for which this leave/holiday will be applicable. Select type, whether it is a national holiday or fixed holiday or an optional holiday. Now save. You can see newly created holiday in the list.